Okay, so I've taken this Channel Master dish that has a linear KU band set up, and normally I use one for a Galaxy 19, but I had an extra port here on my Switch, so I decided, well, I'll try this, and actually I got really good signal where before I wasn't getting signal at all. One thing I wanted to talk about was if you're in an apartment and you're looking for a solution for a small dish, I have seen people do this, where they fill a bucket. So I just did the bucket up here, just filled it, I have like some concrete in there, and just dug it in the ground there a little bit, and just buried it, and just put the dish there for what I like to refer as this Channel Master dish here, which in Canada you can find a lot of these at the end of curbs and garbage and things like that. So yeah, I just stuck some rocks in there. Another thing, oh yeah, with your pole there, just set that there. Just get a leveler. Try to make it as level as possible when you're setting it up. That'll make it easier for when you're trying to aim your dish off of a pole. Sometimes when you use the brackets, they're really hard to get leveled too, I find. And it's great for having a place to be able, like if I want to move a dish around, just leave it temporary. This is not the most ideal spot because a gust of wind can come by, fall over, and what I've done the stupid thing. Where having it set up like this can kind of suck because like the wind might have knocked the dish down, or snow fell on it in the wintertime and it fell down and cracked the LMB, but it still works. I should probably put a little bit of electrical tape over it just to help protect it, just keep water from getting inside. Where the dish falls that way and it cracks the LMB's plastic on it, so you don't want that. So another thing, when you're looking at an offset dish like this in Canada, this type of LMB is becoming obsolete. So you're seeing a lot of these dishes, like the situation where I found, they just tossed them out and thought they were no good, but you can get Galaxy 19, you can get AMC 21, 125 West, which has all the PBS channels. You can get the other one, 101 West, is it 101? Or was it 103 West? It has NHK World, Russia Today, and a shopping channel, or wherever they have their Linkset has them all listed. So yeah, this is a shout out to Anthony over at Group Galaxy Gaming. He was wondering about a solution for putting a dish out. If you can find one of these, just I recommend a Z Gamma receiver or something more modern than what you currently have. So yeah, this is a solution if you have apartments and you don't want to even install a dish, you want to leave it. The only problem is maybe do a little bit better of a bucket of what I'm doing and fill it with some concrete. I actually just have it half full with concrete, and then I just set some rocks on it to give it some weight. And then I dug a little bit in the ground there so that the bucket can sit there. This is just temporary, but I figured it'd be just fun to have because I wanted to check out those PBS channels on 125 West with this dish. And the great thing with the Z Gamma, as soon as I get the settings configured, I have all the channels programmed in. So I got Create, First Nations Experience, PBS Alternative 1, PBS Alternative 2 and 3, PBS East and PBS Kids, and PBS West HD, and the World channel. Not on that little dish that I showed you. So yeah, I get PBS, Montana PBS, and an alternative feed channel, which I'm getting pretty good signal on. Actually, the high definition on the HD PBS West feed, for example, I tried to stream it from my Z Gamma over my Wi-Fi to my laptop, but it was such a high bit rate, high definition picture, it was kind of pixelating. I was able to watch the World channel just fine, but it was trying to watch the high definition, just streaming, when I'm trying to stream into my laptop. On my TV it was just fine, but yeah, that's the problem with really high quality, high definition video. It's hard to stream it, it's hard to record it. So I'm looking at AMC 21. These are the settings I have. I have the LMB set to 10750. I actually have the 22K on because I thought I might be able to get the other LMB at 123 West, but I couldn't get anything. It might be, I think this LMB has a 4-degree separation in the LMB. Here's the signal and quality that I'm getting on the PBS satellite. Well, it's AMC 21, which is 125 West, and I'm getting I'm getting pretty good there. I mean, before I had it on one of these smaller Channel Master dishes, and I found that when they switched over to DVB S2, which they did like, I think a couple of years ago, I can't remember exactly when, but I remember it used to be DVB-S, and then it went to DVB-S2, and it was not working very good after that. So I hadn't really watched the PBS channels, although looking at them now, I've had it hooked up to my Z Gamma H7, and I found that the picture's been good, and also the programming has been, it has the World Channel, which my local over-the-air doesn't carry World Channel anymore. So that's kind of nice to have for a change.
You can get a 90 centimeter dish like this one. I believe Tech 2000 sells these. You can order them online. And this is a 90 centimeter dish, and this is probably the best bet for getting KU band and for getting the PBS MUX. Recommended that you put a motor on. I have an upcoming video where I'm going to put a motor on this dish, so you just need the one dish, and then you just set it up on your geostationary arc, and you get all the satellites that you're able to get, unless you have trees, like what we've had cases before where there's a tree in the way, so you don't get all your satellites if there's a tree blocking your line of sight. But this is probably this is ideally what you'd like to have, is a 90 centimeter KU band dish for your free satellite, legal free-to-air stuff. And doing this sort of thing with a second-hand dish or receiving free satellite is perfectly legal. What we're talking about is how to get free satellite that is unencrypted and free and fair game for anyone to receive, such as the PBS channels. They're public channels. They want people to see them. They put them up there. They don't encrypt them. So it's free and fair game use. Also, like a lot of the channels on Galaxy 19 on 97 West, those are free, fair game channels. People want you to be able to, the broadcasters want you to be able to receive them for free, and all you need is the equipment to do it. I'll get this in the comments. Bell or a Dish Network or DirecTV Dish. Well, those three use circular LMBs, so you'll have to buy another dish.
So yeah, check out the PBS MUX on 121 West. I found it to be really weak before, but now I'm finding it coming in really good. I'm getting it off this the smaller KU band dish, and it seems to be working just fine. Are you looking for a satellite dish, a satellite receiver, or a actuator, or a satellite meter, or an LMB, or any satellite products for your free-to-air setup? Go to tech2000.com. Look at their wide variety of merchandise of many free-to-air satellite products that will soothe your satellite needs.